Speaking of beginner project ideas, here are a few. Project 1. Host a static website. This teaches storage, hosting, public access, basic deployment, and sometimes DNS. Project 2. Create a cloud storage bucket and upload files. This teaches storage, permissions, and access control. Project 3. Deploy a small web app. This teaches compute, deployment, environmental variables, logs, and monitoring. Project 4. Build a cloud resume website. This connects cloud, web dev, GitHub, documentation, portfolio building, which is huge. Project 5. Create a simple cloud security checklist. This connects cloud to cybersecurity and prepares you for the next session. Project number 6. Prepare or create a simple database in the cloud and connect it to a small app or a dashboard. This connects the SQL and data session we just did to this cloud session. Now, notice what we are doing here. We are not trying to learn cloud by watching 100 videos passively. We are learning by building small projects that make the concepts real. Start small. Document what you did. Take screenshots. Explain the problem. Explain the service that you used. Explain what you learned. That is how a beginner becomes credible. Now, before we wrap up, I want to point you to a deeper cloud resource. We recently hosted a powerful Cloud Heroes Africa talk, and I put together a dedicated Cloud Heroes Africa page. It also comes with a playlist for learners who want to go deeper into cloud careers, AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, AI, and cloud security. This session gives you the map. Cloud Heroes Africa gives you the deeper path. So, after this video, make sure you visit learnitfree.com/Cloud Heroes Africa. One word. learnitfree.com/Cloud Heroes Africa. There, you will find a focused playlist with practical cloud career guidance, AWS, Azure, Google Cloud comparisons, cloud security basics, AI and cloud career discussions, and beginner-friendly next steps. Use this video as your starting point. Then, use Cloud Heroes Africa as your cloud command center. Just like we have a dedicated Python page for learners who want to go deeper into Python. Cloud Heroes Africa is your deeper cloud pathway. Let's pause here and comment. Which cloud are you leaning towards? AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud Platform? Or maybe you're not sure. And if you already work with one at your job, comment that too. Your answer helps you choose your next project. And it helps me also create better follow-up guidance for this community. Now, let's recap. Cloud computing means modern technology infrastructure delivered over the internet. AWS is broad, powerful, and widely used. Azure is strong in Microsoft and enterprise environments. Google Cloud is strong in data, AI, analytics, Kubernetes, cloud-native systems. But the most important thing for beginners is not the logo. It is the concept. Compute, storage, networking, identity, databases, security, monitoring. Learn the concepts. Choose a platform. Build one simple project. Then explain what you built. This is how cloud becomes less confusing. Not by memorizing everything, but by understanding the map and building proof step by step. Next session, we move into cybersecurity. That matters because once systems move to the cloud, security becomes non-negotiable. Who has access? What data is exposed? How are users authenticated? How are systems monitored? How do we protect cloud environments, applications, identities, devices, and data? That is where cybersecurity comes in. So today's Cloud Foundation helps you understand why security matters. Because cloud systems do not just run apps, they also store data, they move data, they process data, they expose services, they manage identities, connect users, and support business operations. That is why this order matters. Your roadmap: Python, AI fluency, SQL, data and analytics, cloud big three, then cybersecurity. We are building layer by layer. Finally, here's your assignment. Choose one cloud platform to explore first: AWS, Azure, GCP. Or, if you are not sure, choose Cloud Fundamentals. Then, choose one small project. A beginner project works just fine. Host a static website. Create a storage bucket. Deploy a small app. Build a cloud resume website. Create a cloud security checklist. Or connect a simple database to a project. Do not try to do everything at once. Pick one project. Document what you did. Take screenshots. Explain what you learned. Then, comment. Which cloud path are you choosing? Also, subscribe if you're building real tech skills with free, structured, beginner-friendly training. Watch the next video in our Summer Completion Sprint playlist. And remember, you do not need to master every cloud service before you begin. Start with one concept. Choose one platform. Build one small project. Then go from there. This is Learn It Free. We are not just watching tech. We are completing roadmaps. We are earning credentials. We are building projects. We are creating futures. Complete, certify, create. I am Vitus DK, and you already know.